All right, so I'm going to give you guys an example of each of the types of delta math questions you're going to be asked today. So first, it is graphing from given values. So in this case, our y-intercept is -4. So I'm going to put my first point at -4 on the y-axis. Then our slope is 1/2. That means since it's positive, I'm moving up. So I'm going to go up 1, forward 2, right? So rise 1, run 2, 1, 2. That would be my slope or my line. Good job. All right, let's do one more. So y-intercept is at -2. That means on the y-axis, I go to -2. In this case, our slope is -3, but it's not a fraction, right? So how would I make -3 a fraction? Put it over 1, right? Since my slope is negative, that means I'm going down. So I'm gonna go down 3, 1, 2, 3, over 1, means I'm gonna run 1. That would be my slope. And my line, submit. Good job. All right, second set of problems. It says write an equation of the line in fully simplified slope-intercept form. So in this case, we want to pick 2 points. Looks like they gave us 2 points here. We are going to first, our y-intercept is -1. So I know my b is -1. Got y equals something x minus 1. That's my y-intercept. Oops, sorry. Okay, now from here, I want to find my slope. So I'm going to go down. Let's use a pencil. So I'm going to go from here down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, forward 1. So -6 over 1, which is just in simplified form. We don't need the over 1, right? This would be -6x minus 1. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, we have all these points. Here's my y-intercept, so that's going to be at 7. Now to find our slope is negative again, right? Because we're going down. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3 over 2. Okay, so down 3, forward 2. That's going to be y equals -3 over 2x plus 7, since that's where it crosses the y-axis. All right. Next style of questions, graph the line that passes through these points, then determine the equation of the line. So we're going to plot these 2 points. So 1, -2, 1 point here, and then -1, -6 here. Now I have my graph. My y-intercept is here at -4. We're going to find our slope. Since we're going up, we know it's positive, right? So from here, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, forward 1, 2. So 4 over 2, simplified is just 2. Got y equals 2x minus 4, since that's where it crosses the y-axis. Try one more. We're going to plot our 2 points, 3, -7, and -3, 1. Okay, we see our y-intercept is at -3. Let's find the distance between these 2 points for our slope. We're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 over 6. Y-intercept is -3. Now I need to simplify this. 8 over 6 simplifies to 4 over 3. And if you don't know that, put it in Desmos and it'll give you your simplified fraction. Okay, a couple more. Find the slope of the line represented by the equation below. Slope is always the value in front of x, as long as you have it in y equals format. So since there's nothing with y, my slope is here, so it's going to be -1/2. Okay, again, y is by itself on one side of the equation. Therefore, my slope is the coefficient with x. In this case, it is 3. Okay. Next type, what is the slope of the line that passes through the points -1, -3, and -19, -18? Let's go ahead and open Desmos. I'm going to split screen this for you. All right, so I'm going to make my fraction y2 minus y1. y2 is -18 minus y1 is -3. x1 x2 is -19 minus x1 is -1. Gives me a really ugly decimal, but I want a fraction, 5/6. Okay, one more. Same thing. We're going to make a fraction, y2 minus y1, -7 minus -9, -9 minus -9. No. Oops. Sorry. Hold on, I want to problem looks just like that. Okay, let me do it again. Sorry, guys. -11 minus -1, -8 minus -8 is undefined. Oh, right there. Okay, two more. Standard form to slope intercept form. This is the only one you probably have to write down. Let me get a piece of paper. Can you see that? No. All right. So I'm going to have x plus y equals -4. First thing it says is to move our x term. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Then divide by the coefficient in front of y. In this case it's 1, so I don't need to divide anything. So that would be my answer. Y equals -x minus 4. Okay, one more. 2x minus 4y equals -16. Okay, move our x term first. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. -4y is equal to -2x minus 16. Second step, divide by our coefficient in front of y, and divide everything by a -4. You're left with y equals +1/2 x plus 4. Okay, so y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Okay, last example. Okay, find the slope. This is in standard form, just written backwards, right? So this is still ax plus by equals c. So in that case, if you remember, we said slope is negative a over b. This is our a and our b. So we've got negative 5 over 4. I'm going to type it just like that into Desmos. So in Desmos, I'm going to say negative 5 over 4. Make it stay a fraction. It's going to be a positive 5/4. Okay, one more. Remember, our a is the coefficient with x, our b is the coefficient with y. So in this case, we're going to have, let me write it down, negative 15, 5y minus x. Okay, so again, m equals negative a over b. So a is here, b is here. So again, we're going to have negative 1 over 5. Plug that into Desmos, you will get a positive 1/5. All right, that's all the examples for your Delta Math today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me or Mr. Martinez. Have a great day. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.